Hello again, this is Geleven coming to you with another quick tips and tricks tutorial that is very useful for you, and you'll see what I mean in a second. So I have a fresh copy of Windows. I just reinstalled my Windows, and as you can see I have nothing on my desktop. I have no software installed. So I need to start over and reinstall all the software that I use, and that we know it's going to take a long time to just go visit every website and download the latest version, and you know what that means. So I have a quick tutorial for you how to do that in just one click. As you can see, I have an empty fresh Windows, and all I have installed is this browser that came with the Windows, the Edge browser. So to do that, you just need to visit one website, that is ninite.com. I will put the link in the description. This website has, we can read here as well, all the software that one user would need, up to date. It is a trustworthy website, and literally you just need one click to install everything without visiting all the website developers and creators. Step 1, you just need to pick the apps you want. For example, I need a Chrome, I need a 7-zip and a WinRAR, I need Discord, I need Skype. So as you can see, all the apps and all the software is filtered by category, so you know what you're getting into. I need Steam, I need a VLC, I need an iTunes. Let's say you need Spotify, maybe you need some other utilities like TeamViewer. Maybe you're into 3D and graphics. You want some nice photo viewer there. You need a capture software. You need some Office. I already have OneDrive. Maybe you need an antivirus and some other developer tools. So first you have to pick everything that you know you are using and you had before in your previous version of Windows, and then just click on Get Your Ninite. It will download a quick thing here. Just open it and enjoy, as they say. Just sit back, relax, and let your ninite do the job. So now it's basically downloading all the software one by one, and you will just be able to see all the icons appearing on your desktop as they are finished. No other extra clicks, nothing else. So there you go, you have your applications installed. You will just have to install whatever else is missing or you want extra. These are free to use, so that's why you can find them on Ninite, all in the same place. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. I've been meaning to do this for a long time, but I didn't have a chance to show you this, so now I had a good opportunity to show you what I know. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, follow my next videos, and see you next time.